Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to turn off your Facebook notifications, which is very simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. So we have the two ways to turn off the notifications of Facebook. One is from our mobile phone settings and other is from Facebook. Let's continue with the Facebook. Just simply open up your Facebook app. Come to the menu section by tapping on these three lines and tap at this gear in front of this search icon to open up settings and policy. Once you tap at, Once you tap on it, just simply scroll down a little bit until you get the option of notifications, which is I think over there. Just simply tap on it. So from here you can get the option of comments, tag, reminders, about the groups or whatever. You will have to toggle off these all manually like that. Just simply tap on it like that. That's how and like these one by one you will have to turn off all of these options like in this way. So it's I think a tough way or like not a good way to turn off your notifications. Other way is from your mobile phone settings. Just simply open up your mobile phone settings. So once you open up your mobile phone settings, what you all have to do is just scroll down a little bit until you get the option of this notification. Just simply tap on it and then tap at settings, app settings, and here it will show all of your apps like notification settings. If you want to turn off the notification of your Facebook app, just simply search for it. Here you can see it's over there. Just simply toggle off this option in front of this Facebook app. So from here you can also like toggle off or turn off the notifications like YouTube, or you want to turn off our Gmail or whatever. So that's how you can easily turn off your Facebook notifications in two methods. So I hope it's helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in the comment section below and I'll be catching you in the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel, and if you think this video has helped you, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, goodbye till the next video, and I will be recommending you to check the latest video on the end screen.